Here we go. Yeah. Yeah.
You can do it, Aiden. You can do it.
You can zoom in with that thing too. You're not going to leave the towel for you to rest on. Come on.
You're doing it.
Yeah. Oh, that could be some rolling over starting.
Yep, it looks like he's...
Push. Push.
He's giving up. He's taking a break.
Oh, here we go. He's getting tired. Stop.
He's like, why are all these things in my face?
Bad enough. You got me on my tummy. What you doing, Ryan? You zoom in. Can't wait to watch that one on the TV.
Aiden has just pooped out. Come on, Aiden.
Entertain us. Come on. Hello.
Seriously, he's frozen. Do not even get me on film. Ryan, I'm going to kick your ass.
Oh.
Ryan, stop it.
Aiden.
It's like you people are nuts. There go the legs.
Over here. Over here. On the way. On the way. Yeah, well, that would be a while. Oh, yes, at least you're rotating. Yeah, go. Oh. Oh. I think he's getting them all over. His head's going the wrong way. Push it. Push it, man. Oh. Your face, oh boy. Oh. And we're coming to the conclusion.
He's looking at me like, help me. You're doing good, Aiden. It's okay. You're doing good. It's like all this pressure. I'm on film and...
Oh boy, he's got both sides of the towel now. Gonna tie it into a knot here in a minute.
Run over.
Oh boy. Here, get it out of your face. That might help. Okay, Ryan, there's only 30 minutes on that thing, and I've already used up some of it. Stop.
I've only used 3 minutes, so he's only done...
I have 3.
You've only done 3 too.
Oh my god, we only have like 25 minutes left.
Yeah, but to watch 3 minutes of this, we're gonna be like, fast forward, fast forward.
Aiden, how does it feel to have a mother who doesn't love you?
Okay, I'll take one camera out of your face.
Oh, let's look at zoom in on that booger.
That should come out now. Here we go.
Good job, Aiden. Good
Blow the
job.
boogie out in your frustration. Come on. You know what I was thinking last night? I was like, okay, boogie. I'm like, what's a dance, right? Is it a dance or is it like a name?
I thought it was a slang term for dancing.
Yeah, I couldn't think about that. Also, I had a dream about Lori last night, I think.
Who?
Lori and Sean. Mostly Lori. Oh, stop filming me. Okay, it's almost over here. Yeah.
Well, Aiden, if you'd roll over, it'd be a lot more interesting.
Someone's gonna see this video and be like, I think we should call Child Protective Services. Oh.
Yeah, he looks really upset.
He's exhausted.
Come on, Aiden, you can do it. Work it, man. Feel the burn.
He's exhausted. Mm-mm. No pre-shower filming.
Jesus, a bunch of prima donnas in this family.
Seriously, his heart rate went up quite a bit. Okay, follow the fingers. I don't know what he's looking at. The turtles?
The
Or
frogs.
frogs? Whatever they are.
Aw.
Aw, that's cute.
Smile at the camera, Aiden.
Oh. Hello. He's gonna whack the camera in a minute.
That would be funny.
Look, Aiden, watch my head.
That's not quite how he does it. He has to put the face down. Do a face plant. Oh. Oh.